Third, pre-competitive skill test. Various departments, after they are served with the copies of summons and sanction their defense at public expense without offering their comments as to the contentions made in the petitions and obtaining legal advices from the attorney to government of Pakistan, full stop. She will be influenced by interim dividends and in some cases after much trouble and some worry he may receive a letter of regret, full stop. In the case of companies being floated, he must notice if the stock market is giving a special settlement, full stop. We elaborate the arguments but labor it as we are, comma. There is the fact that any ingenuity can get over it, full stop. Such mistakes and irregularities shall be occur again, full stop. New paragraph. In such cases, solicitor issues necessary authorities as the case may be appeared and defend the writ petitions, full stop. Certainly the investment of money so as to produce a satisfactory return is no easy matter, comma, and whether convertible gold bonds or guaranteed preference shares are held, comma, it is necessary to exercise greatest caution, full stop. Any success to dispose of goods is, however, inevitably accompanied by employment, full stop. Whatsoever regrettable it may be, we must regard it, full stop. It is found that the genuine orders of the departments were incorrect, and also these orders cannot be cancelled promptly, full stop. Even the most astute investors may be deceived by prospectuses and balance sheet may fail to reveal the true state of affairs of a company, full stop. New paragraph. This is a very important procedure because it sometimes entails avoidable and necessary expense on the account of government case in which department do not act rapidly, comma, should be reported to secretary, full stop. With regard to proportionate representations, comma, it was asserted that it was opposed by organizers because it would be contrary to the tradition, full stop. Such objection was taken in the system for the coming year, and some speakers averred that our ambassadors abroad might do more to see the desire for increased ornaments, full stop. He has been retained in an important action and also in several assessment appeals arising out of the recent quinquennial valuation, full stop. He will hold on in hopes of better times coming when he will need them, full stop.